He's not here.
I've got a bad feeling. Let's go find him.
Previously on the Adventures of Kevin.
Sir, without a ticket I cannot let you inside. I know a secret way to get in. Follow me.
Wow, that secret entrance worked like a charm. Hey, where did Giovanni go?
Hey, that's strange. He was right behind me. Let's go look.
What happened?
Oh my god.
No, Giovanni, no. Oh my god, I cannot look.
Oh my god, that's horrible.
No, Giovanni, please, no.
Hello.
Giovanni,
What?
Oh my god, who's that?
it's you.
That's not me. Although he's wearing the same outfit. Where did he get it?
But how?
This is the police. Everybody, deep freeze. Do not move a finger.
I wasn't planning to.
Hello, Mr. French police officer.
Yes, young man.
There's somebody hanging there.
Oh, yes, there he is.
We thought our friend was hanging there.
Which friend?
The one who's sitting right in front of you.
Oh, that friend.
Yes, that's me. Nice gun.
Thank you. Why is he wearing the same clothes as you?
Good question, you tell me.
But I cannot tell you, because I don't know.
Seriously.
Yes, we are very seriously.
Mr. French policeman,
Yes, young man.
shouldn't you get him down so we can see who it is?
Yes, we should. You're a very intelligent young man.
Yeah, I've been told.
François, I want you to pick up the gentleman from the lamp. Okay, Pierre. François, where do you go? I'm going to search for a lamp. The lamp is right behind me. Ah, okay, I see the light now.
Seriously,
So, go get him from the lamp. Okay. François. Yes. What are you doing? I'm going to shoot the lamp. Why? Because it's a bad lamp.
Oh my god.
François. Yes. You are not allowed to shoot the lamp. Why no? Because the lamp is not your property. Okay. Now, find a chair, stand on the chair, and pick up the lamp guy. Okay. François. Yes, there is a chair right behind me. Okay.
This is worse than a Carla Bruni concert.
Pierre. Yes. Where shall I put the chair?
How about under the lamp?
Yes, under the lamp is a good location. Put it under the lamp. Okay. Now go and stand on the chair. Okay. Okay, I'm on the chair.
please shoot me.
What?
Nothing.
Okay, François, now take out your gun and shoot the rope.
For Christ's sake.
Okay. I forgot my gun on the other table.
Why God, why?
Okay, never mind, I will do it myself. Hello, you are under arrest, identify yourself.
What is that?
Put your hands in your hair.
That's not a real person. That's a puppet.
A puppet?
Yes, a puppet.
Oh well, in that case, my work is done here. Good night, gentlemen.
That's strange. A puppet wearing my clothes. Very strange.
Yes, it's weird.
There is a note on the floor.
Okay, let me read this. No, my God.
What does it say?
This is the worst thing ever.
What?
This is the end.